What's up, YouTube? Happy Thursday. They all run in together. They all run in together. Quick shout out to East Coast Prospecting. I will put his link down here. I won a coin giveaway. It's pretty cool. First off, this is your first time here. We're starting out in the office today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Lee, daily vlogger. I'm a daily I'm a daily vlogger that's just a little bit nerdy. Let's go ahead and call it what it is right now. The braces. Last night was the first big adjustment, and man, it's not ranking up there with the day one pain, but it's pretty painful. All right, so what are we doing? Well, unfortunately, I was going to get us out of here, but it's storming. But look out there, look. There is a glimmer of hope. A glimmer of hope. All right, Newman. All right, Newman. You freaking tripod, you swear to... Funny story. When Amber saw the tripod fall, I think it was last video, these things are all running together. Holy crap. She opened her MacBook and was like, what was the one you wanted? Can I say? She's awesome. Sure. She is awesome. I feel like I'm talking so weird. She's awesome. She is awesome. Ryan, things in here don't react well to bullets. Sean Connery. That was actually me. I know it probably sounded like I got like a sound effect, but I'm pretty funny. I just don't let y'all see it. My door's open. We all know you don't vlog with the door open. That's not very vlog-tastic. What do you think about that word poo-tastic? That's an Amber word. That is an Amber word. Okay. There's a couple things I want to do. One, I want to change my channel art. Shocker. So I'm going to jump on that real fast. And maybe we'll be into something. As soon as, tornado gets by us. If we can't go anywhere. If I'm unable to leave this office, what I'm going to do, fly this in here. I want to fly my drone so freaking bad. So, we'll see what happens. I watched a video today where this girl kept telling us vloggers that we have to stare in the camera. That we can't look anywhere else but in the camera. Kind of controlling, right? You couldn't even do this. Breaking the rules. Breaking the rules, but it's a stare down. How long can we go? How long can we go? At what point will you realize I just put a still image up? Will you? Are you looking for the shadows to move? How do you know there's not a still image up and I'm just masking the mouth right now? Crazy, right? Very crazy. I know. What are y'all doing? This is a still photo. You silly guys, you. I promise you, it's not real. Watch. Nope. Didn't put it up yet. Still me staring you down. I can put it on a loop. Loop. Vlog loop. Man, that's funny. Vlog loop. I said I was going to practice green screen. I haven't yet, so sorry. It was not all that, but I still wanted to try it. And I did it. And I'm just kidding about the staring thing. You know who you are. Ha 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 ha. I mean, I can talk to you like this right here. I don't care. What's up? I have been busy. I've been working on my channel art. Let me show you. So I what a word. I wanted to redo this. So this is what I've been doing. You know that's cool right there, so don't even act like you don't think that's cool. So that's it. Photoshop, 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 Adobe Junkie, Adobe Junkie. And that is how you do that. Well, I took the braces out because I'm starving, and I have a grilled chicken club that I'm going to eat shortly. But I did say if we didn't get out of this office, we was going to do this. So Amber's going to freak out, unfold this bad boy. Done. Oh, we need a battery. Probably need a controller too. Unless we're really gonna wing it. Hang on. Got it. I got it. All right, let's fly. Say we can't. Say you can't fly a drone indoors. I bet you didn't think I could do that. My favorite word, can't. That was fun. And on that note, I'm Lee the Nerd, and this has been Office Droning. Subscribe right here. That's it, me, right there. This person, check them out. They may have a drone. My whole playlist right here. I've crashed this. It's right there.